Today I'll be showing you how I made the Golden Snitch from Harry Potter. The build began by 3D printing the body in resin. After removing the supports and curing, I then applied several thin coats of UV resin to the body. This filled the print layer lines while preserving all that detail. Next, I primed the body with a high build primer and sanded it smooth to create the perfect foundation for the next layer of paint. For the wings, I 3D printed them in PLA, heat forming them over a bucket, giving them a much more natural sweeping shape before painting. Once everything was prepared, I applied a smooth undercoat, followed by 2 coats of gloss black through the airbrush. This created a deep mirror finish, which is needed for the metallic effects to come. The real magic began when I airbrushed the SMS HyperChrome over the gloss black. This was my first time using the paint, and I was generally impressed by how reflective it became. Finally, I airbrushed transparent gold over the chrome. This allowed the reflective chrome underneath to shine through, creating the appearance of polished gold rather than painted plastic. With the paintwork complete, I assembled the wings. With the snitch out of the way, I turned my attention to the display stand. I 3D printed the stand in a wood PLA filament. I sanded it and then assembled it. I then stained the display stand in walnut, finishing it with 2 coats of matte clear, lightly sanding between coats for a smoother finish. And that is how I made my Golden Snitch, and I am super happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to Unlimited Props, and if you're working on something, hey, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.